Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete PicsArt images on Android. So for this, you have to go first on your Files or File Manager app. Now you can see this is the PicsArt image file. Now if you go for here, now you can select all of this or just one picture from here and just delete it from the trash icon here. Okay, you can see now it's deleted. So that's the process. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.